Hello everyone. Welcome back to Wordivo English Tips. Today's video is about 10 common English idioms for beginners. Idioms are very common in daily English conversations. Native speakers use them all the time. Learning idioms will help you understand English better, speak more naturally, improve vocabulary, sound more confident. Listen carefully. Repeat after me. Try to use these idioms in daily life. Let's begin. Idiom 1. Break the ice. Break the ice means to start a conversation and make people feel comfortable. Example: when I joined the new class, my teacher told a funny joke to break the ice. This idiom is often used in meetings, parties, or first conversations. Open book idiom 2. Piece of cake. Piece of cake means something very easy. Example: the English homework was a piece of cake for me. Native speakers often use this idiom to talk about easy tasks. Open book idiom 3. Under the weather. Under the weather means feeling sick or tired. Example: I did not go to college today because I was feeling under the weather. This is a polite and common way to say you are not feeling well. Open book idiom 4. Hit the books. Hit the books means to start studying seriously. Example: I have an exam tomorrow, so I need to hit the books tonight. Students often use this idiom in daily conversations. Open book idiom 5. Once in a blue moon. Once in a blue moon means something happens very rarely. Example: my cousin visits us once in a blue moon. This idiom is used for uncommon situations. Open book idiom 6. Spill the beans. Spill the beans means to reveal a secret accidentally. Example: my friend spilled the beans about the surprise party. This idiom is very popular in casual English conversations. Idiom 7. A blessing in disguise. A blessing in disguise means something seemed bad at first but later became good. Example: missing the bus was a blessing in disguise because I met an old friend. This idiom teaches us that bad situations can sometimes lead to good results. Open book idiom 8. Better late than never. Better late than never means it is better to do something late than not do it at all. Example: he started learning English at age 30, but better late than never. This idiom is motivating and positive. Open book idiom 9. Call it a day. Call it a day means to stop working for the day. Example: we finished the project, so let's call it a day. This idiom is common in workplaces and daily conversations. Open book idiom 10. Practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect means regular practice improves skills. Example: I practice English speaking every day because practice makes perfect. This is one of the most famous English idioms. Extra practice section. Now let's quickly repeat the idioms together. Break the ice. Piece of cake. Under the weather. Hit the books. Once in a blue moon. Spill the beans. A blessing in disguise. Better late than never. Call it a day. Practice makes perfect. Excellent. The best way to remember idioms is to use them in sentences and conversations. Try practicing one idiom every day. Idioms make your English sound more natural and interesting. Native speakers use idioms very often in movies, podcasts, and conversations. Do not worry if you forget some idioms at first. Repetition and daily practice will help you remember them naturally. Listening to English videos and reading simple English books can also help you learn more idioms over time. Remember, language learning is a journey. Small daily practice creates big improvement. Great job! Today, you learned 10 common English idioms for beginners. Practice these idioms daily. Use them in conversations. Repeat the examples again. Also watch our old videos for more English practice. Like the video. Comment your favorite idiom. Subscribe to Wordivo English Tips. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and keep growing.